Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Easy YouTube channel. In this video we will be fixing this error message. As you can see on my screen, I get these messages a lot and it's uncountable sometimes. Like if I leave my computer on at night time and come back in the morning, and there will be like around 100, even more than 100 of these error messages, same kind. And I tried all the methods but I couldn't find any right solution for this. So let's fix this issue and let's hope that we can find a solution for this error message, and let's get rid of this message. So it says msspellings.exe. This application could not be started. This application could not be started. Do you want to view information about this issue? If you press yes, as you can see, it will tell you this application could not be started error when running a .NET framework application. So any framework, so it's because of the .NET framework application. And I tried this troubleshooting repairing tool also. I downloaded and I tried to run this, but still I couldn't fix the issue. And let's try again. Okay, so it gives us some log files and all those things, and so it will be sent to the Microsoft. As you can see here, the tool is unable to resolve the installation issue on your computer. The following logs will be sent to Microsoft for further analysis. So now if I press next, so no solution. So let's go back to the error message. So the first thing we can do is try on Task Manager. On your keyboard, press and hold Control, Shift and Escape. It will open up Task Manager, or you can open this Task Manager in a different way. Right click here on taskbar, and here you should see Task Manager. Press on this one, and after that let's find this application. Which one is this? So search here, you should find here something like Zilla. So it's Microsoft Edge Web View 2. So that's the application. Give us error message, but there is a icon for another application and we can't find the name here. So what we will do, we will right click on Zilla and we can end task, but it will show up again. So let's right click here on this one, the one which only has an icon but no name to it, and here you will see open file location. So this is the file that we get error message. So what we will do is we will remove this. If it's not important, make sure these are not important files to you. So all, you can select all, or you can go back to program files and right click on that folder and delete. So we cannot delete this because it's still open. So let's press no. As you can see, it pop up again. Press no, and now try again. Still cannot. So what we will do is now we will close this end task, and now because it was still open in Task Manager, now try. Okay, it got open again. So now in task again and try again. So we successfully removed the whole bad application, whatever it was, and we shouldn't get this error message anymore. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.